Let's take a look at this example. First, we're supposed to organize this equation. On the left side, I'm going to combine the like terms. 12 minus 7 is equal 5. Equals. And on the right side, I'm going to write the like terms next to each other. So I'm going to have 7 minus 6 plus 6x minus 2x. Next, I have to combine the like terms on the right side of the equation. I'm going to copy 5 equals 7 minus 6 is equal 1. 6x minus 2x is equal 4x. In order to find x, I have to move this one to the other side of the equation. Why? Because this one doesn't have x next to itself. Okay, so I'm going to have 5 minus 1 equals 4x. 5 minus 1 is equal 4. 4 equals 4x. In order to find x, I have to divide both sides equation by whatever is multiply to x. In this case, I have to divide both sides equation by 4. 4 and 4 will cancel out. And I have 4 divided by 4 is equal 1. This is equal x. Now, in order to make this looking more professional and we can say familiar, I'm going to move my x to the left side and 1 to the other side. Remember, anytime we move everything from right side to the left and from left to right, we don't change the sign. That's why this is the solution to my problem. Let's check if this is true. I'm going to replace every single x in my original equation by 1. And if my left side of the equation is going to be equal to the right side, means this is the proper answer. So in this case, I have 12 minus 7 equals 7 plus 6 times 1 minus 6 minus 2 times 1. 12 minus 7 is equal 5. Equals 7 plus 6 times 1 is 6 minus 6. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. I have 5 equals 7 plus 6 is equal 13. 13 minus 6 is equal 7. 7 minus 2 is equal 5. As you can see, left side of my equation is equal to the right side. That's why this is the answer to my problem. Let's take a look at the second example. Again, we're supposed to first combine the like terms. On the left side of my equation, I have minus 32 plus 21. Minus 32 plus 21 is equal negative 11. Why? Remember, anytime we add negative number to positive, we're supposed to perform the subtraction. From the bigger number, subtract the smaller number and keep the sign which is next to the larger number. In this case, I have 32 minus 21 is equal 11, and I'm supposed to keep the sign which is next to the larger number. That's why I have negative 11. Next, I'm going to organize the right side of my equation. I'm going to write all like terms next to each other. That's why I'm going to have 4x plus 3x minus 6 plus 9. Copy down left side, negative 11 equals 4x plus 3x is 7x. Minus 6 plus 9 is equal positive 3. Remember, anytime we add negative number to positive, we're supposed to subtract from the bigger number, smaller number, and keep the sign of the larger number. That's why I have positive 3. I want to find x. 7x is added to 3. I do not want to have positive 3 next to 7x. What I have to do with it? Remember, anytime we add or subtract, we're supposed to move that number to the other side. Okay? Anytime you're going to have addition or subtraction and you don't need this number or term next to the variable, you're supposed to just keep moving to the other side. Okay, so I'm going to have minus 11 minus 3. Remember, anytime you will change the side of the number or variable when rest of the equation stays at the same position, you're supposed to change the sign. That's why I change positive to negative. And I have 7x. Minus 11 and minus 3. Anytime I do not have parentheses, I'm supposed to simply add these two numbers and keep the sign. I have 11 plus 3 is equal 14. And because both of them are negative, I'm supposed to keep the negative sign. And this is equal 7x. I have to find x. X is multiplied to 7. In order to eliminate multiplication, I have to use division. And in order to find x, I have to divide both sides equation by whatever is multiplied to x. In this case, I have 7. 7 and 7 will cancel out. Negative divided by invisible positive will give me negative sign, and I have 14 divided by 7 is equal to, everything is equal x. Okay, in order to make this answer looking more familiar, I'm going to write x on the left side. X is equal minus 2. Remember, anytime you move everything from right side to the left and everything from the left side to the right, you're supposed to keep the same signs. X is equal negative 2. In order to verify that answer is correct, we're supposed to replace this negative 2 by every single x in the original equation. That's why I'm going to have minus 32 plus 21 equals 4 times negative 2 minus 6 plus 3 times negative 2 plus 9. Minus 32 plus 21, we said is negative 11, equals negative 8, copy down negative 6, positive 3 times negative 2 is negative 6, and I have plus 9. Negative 11 is equal negative 8 and negative 6 is negative 14. Negative 14 and negative 6 is negative 20. Negative 20 plus 9 is negative 11. As you can see, left side of my equation is equal to the right side of my equation. That's why x equals negative 2 is the solution to my problem.